today we're going to do an after video of this vintage 1975 Hoover Senior Ranger. This is the one I got from Dorian and it's cleaned up pretty well. It didn't need much cleaning, but the motor had a strip down and everything, and all the gunk was cleaned out, and it runs alright now. The flexes had a clean up. It's also got a decent MK plug on there now, none of that Chinese rubbish that was on there before. Got cable, just comes off. If you remember, before, this bag hook was flopping around. Now it has a spring on it. I had to modify a U-brake spring from my BMX bike. I put a new brake on it, and the old brake had the springs in it, so I nicked one of those and kind of bent it around and glued it in there, and it works alright now. Still got the long screw coming through it, but I've put a nut on there that I found inside the cleaner. While we're at the back, let's take a look inside the bag. The bag has had a wash. Just put this cable over the front. The bag has had a wash. It's got a non-genuine bag in there, just so I can use it. Hopefully want to bugger up any genuine ones, although I've got a genuine one in there. There's a bit of crap in there because I have used it at my nan's and here. Let's put this in there. In Dorian's video before he sent it, he had the longer fill tube on it, but I just prefer not having that hassle. It kind of makes the bag look a bit ugly, so I just leave it as it should be, because I like that kind of originality. Let's turn it around. Again, headlight's still cracked, but what can you do about that? And there's a little crack in the top, but again, what can you do? These machines don't really come up. Well, they do come up, but people own them, and I'll just have to find another lens. Let's tip the machine back. Well, we'll recline the handle first, and we'll turn it over. If you remember, the brush roll was grey, now it is black. I have actually resprayed the brush roll, and if you saw Dorian's video and my video, the brush roll was really rattly. I'll just show you by taking this off what was the problem with it. So the problem with the brush roll was these end parts here. These are actually not the original ones that the machine came with. These end parts here had worn, so the bearings rattle around inside, and no matter what you do, the bearings wouldn't stop rattling. So I changed these from an old senior brush roll, had lying around, and it runs really smooth now. Did respray it, but the paint is coming off a bit. I didn't do it properly. Silly me. Yeah, but I did respray it and it looks much better in black. Here's the fan, all running smooth, and the little flap. It's had a clean up, although it doesn't look like it because I've used it. Now it's all dust in here and crap. So let's put the senior brush roll back in. I have got another senior, which is over there, and the base plate looks like it's come off. Okay, so we'll just have to fix that at a later date. Ow. There we go. The brush roll just goes in like that, and it cleans like that. Base plates had a bit of a polish up, but not much. And this goes on here like that, and the little latches hold it on. So let's plug it in, and we'll give you a brief demo. Put the height on the right thing, right on the top one, and here we go. So as you can hear, it runs a lot better, and it's a lot smoother running as well. So yeah, I quite like using it. It's better than the other senior. The other senior is a bit lumpy to use. This is slightly cheapened for the 70s. So yeah, there we go. Let's just wrap the cable up on this, and that should conclude our video. It just goes over there like that. That's it. Goes there. That's it. There we go. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.